Hey guys, what is up? My name is Hunter, and today I'm going to show you guys how to run paid Facebook ads for diabetic test strips. So let's get into it. Basically, diabetic test strips, we're going to cover which ads to use specifically, and then I'm also going to cover how to set up the Facebook ads itself. So to get this pretty, quick, let's just get going here. So basically, you see these ads right here. These are some diabetic test strip ads. I recommend to run these ads locally. If you run them nationwide and have people ship them to you, it tends to get your ad account flagged, and we don't want that. So definitely recommend do it local. Okay. So basically, you see these here. I don't recommend those unused diabetic test strips. Ship them to us free. You can try this out here. This ad might work for you, but there's a potential risk of getting your ad account flagged. And you see they have a really set up business page where they look really legit. If you run this on your own page and you don't look legit, you can get flagged, okay? So that's something to note. What I recommend is using an ad like this. So put your phone number right in here. Use Canva or use Photoshop, whatever you have to use. And then basically just copy this part here. And then you also want to copy the images because these images are people just find on Google search and that's it, okay? So basically just oh, someone's using my picture actually. That's kind of weird. They're using my picture, and it's their Facebook ads. Typically that would be copyright. You're not really supposed to use other people's pictures for ads. I'm gonna have to ask him about that, but basically you just take an ad like this, and then what you would do is I'll show you guys. So I already have the pictures, so I don't need the pictures. Okay. I'm just gonna click create a new campaign. We're gonna create a brand new campaign. Okay. So you're in the ads manager right now. Okay, I'm not in the right thing. So click on campaign, click new campaign. We're gonna click engagement, continue. You want to keep going here, and then everything should be set on this page. So click on the ad set. Everything should be set. Just click the message and click your page. You'll need to set up a business page before doing this if you don't have one. We're gonna set the budget on $5 a day, okay? Because we want to start slow. We don't want to be spending $20 a day. You could start at $1 a day, but I don't recommend it. Just spend $5 a day. And if you don't have $5 a day to spend, do not do these ads because um, you just don't have enough money at that point. Basically, just keep going here. You want to put your location, so wherever you're from St. Louis, okay. 25-mile radius, basically, okay. And then all genders, okay. All genders, all ages. Actually, for the ages, never mind. I'm not going to say anything on that because all ages is probably the best, I would say. Advantage placements, click next. And it's going to take you to the ad itself, okay? So really, really simple, guys. Just click the ad image. You're going to upload the image that you got. So if you go to documents, you go to your pictures, you put in a diabetic test strip picture, click next, click done. It's going to upload that picture. Your thing's about ready to go. You're going to say call text here in the headline. Text 555, 555, 555, okay? The primary text, you're just going to basically use everything they were using. So they can't really have my image in this ad because I used to do this as well, but that's okay. I'm going to get that later. And then you also, another thing they don't do, you want to say call slash text 555, 555, 555. So you also want to say, put your phone number on the very bottom here, okay? And then you would just put your city here. So mine would be St. Louis. Okay, St. Louis. And then, So you got your phone number, you got your city, you got what you buy, and you got your image, you got your call text here. Send a message. You would want to have your own message template set up here. So that's another video, but make sure you set that up. And then if you have a pixel, make sure you put your pixel on here for a website or just to have your pixel set up. Okay. So basically, but we don't really need the pixel to be honest. So basically that's it. You would click publish. And then what you want to do, what I always say to do is duplicate this 4 times. Okay. 4 times, duplicate. And then what you want to do is you want to do 5 different images across 5 different ads and then see which image works the best. And it's going to spend $5 a day for all of those ads. So it's not spending $25 a day, it's spending $5 a day only because it's in the whole campaign. And you set that up at the ad set level where it asked you for the budget. So it's going to spend $5 across all these ads here. Then you just click publish for each one of these. I recommend clicking the X button and then clicking review and publish so you can publish everything at one time. But then your ads are good to go, and then you just see which is the best cost per result here for the messaging conversion. Okay, so that's about it, guys. That's all I want to cover in this video. If you guys want my course on teach you how to do Facebook ads and a whole lot of other stuff like marketing and stuff, just going to drop that link down below. Without further ado, guys, I will see you on my next video. So take care, guys. See you.